I got a new tat because we making up. You want to see? Yeah.
She has tattooed his face on her face. What is this?
Something totally opposite, and I'm tired now. I'm tired now. I'm so fucking tired. I'm so fucking tired of her. I cannot save this girl no more. You don't understand. You don't even understand, man.
So she moved back into his house that they're eventually going to take because he owes millions of dollars in lawsuits and then filed bankruptcy before he went into jail. I just don't understand why.
Every time she takes one step forward, she takes 10 back. Do you see what's on your screen, guys? This Blueface is the same guy who denies her baby. Last week, we were surprised she was moving back into Blueface's house. As we know, Blueface is in jail or prison, one of them. It was just December. She was saying Blueface put his hands on her.
Oh, he called me and said, you never give me a gift. So I'm like, so you gonna let a bitch? Because the bitch, Jaden, we was drunk. We was swapping information, but I don't know if she fabricated anything. I don't know what she said. Whatever she said triggered him. Because he called me saying, yeah, Whoop-de-Woo told me that you bought Suave a gift. You mad that I bought something from the jeweler? What if I didn't? What if I did? What? Why does it matter? Why are you calling me talking about a gift? You never gifted me that. Oh, crap, that's not my baby. So I be texting him like, yeah, I love you, bro. Keep going. You got this. I be trying to motivate him to stay positive because I'm scared to sleep at my house. This will come in my house either asking for pussy or he's going to beat the shit out of me. Look at all these bruises, bro. Like, my eye was black the other day. I got stomped out on each side of my body. So what I'm thinking is, and he know I'm not playing those police games because I'm trying to clear up my warrants right now. I have court, all type of shit, bro. But I swear to God, bro, I'm finna go to the motherfucking police station and just say, F these warrants. Both of us need to be in jail then, because it's like, how am I going to protect my son from somebody that's such a threat? First, it was his penis.
Less than a month later, you're like, oh, I'm moving back in his house. Now you're like, oh, I'm putting his face on my face. I don't know. Some people just can't be helped.
Oh my God, this makes me so... This is so humiliating!
I hate to say this, but it must be said. Chrisean Rock is a lost cause at this point. I mean, every time we cheer this girl on, it looks like she takes one step forward. We're like, yeah, girl, leave him behind. You're doing better. For only her to take 10 steps back. Blueface denied being the father of her child. Was it a month or two ago? She removed his big tattoo from her neck and we're like, girl, it's time to move on. And remember, Blueface went wild. He went crazy. He has disrespected this girl time and time again, keeps on going back to the other baby mama, but then still seemingly making this girl's life a living hell. And then December, she was like, he put his hands on me. And here you are, back in his house. Now, a tattoo on your face? Guys, what is this? What is this we are looking at? Chrisean hopped onto Instagram to take us through being tattooed with Blueface's face on her face. I'm like, oh boy. I sure hope. Chrisean is saving all the money she's making. They have stretched their 15 minutes. People are getting sick of it. Oh, are we really getting sick of it? Here I am talking about her. Are we to blame for who Chrisean and Blueface have become? This toxic couple? It seems whenever we have a normal, decent, quiet living celebrity couple, we're not interested in them. We love the mess, we love the toxic couples, we love the drama, and they make more money. So, thinking about it. No, we're not to blame. We like the drama, we like the mess, but we like to watch it. It's her life, not ours. You know, part of me really wants to believe this tattoo is not real, as it's not permanent. They're probably sitting and laughing at everybody talking about them. They're addicted to fame. She wants to be on everybody's timeline. And if that was your mission, well, mission accomplished. But if this is permanent, girl, you're dumb.
That she had paid the whole year. And I think she really thought that she had paid the whole year for that house, but it was just first month and last month.
Well, Tasha K entered the conversation and said the reason why Chrisean moved back into Blueface's house is because she's homeless and jobless. Listen to what Tasha K had to say.
She's recently moved back in with Blueface and everybody's mad at her. I don't know why. It was either that or the women's shelter with her and kids. She got on here and y'all believe that she had bought a house. That house was listed for rent. She said she had paid the whole year. And I think she really thought that she had paid the whole year for that house, but it was just first month and last month. And so she probably thought, man, first month, the last month I played it was on first month and last month. And then you had to pay. So that was around $140,000. And then she ain't had no credit. You know what I'm saying? And so they relisted the house. And she was like, I bought this house. And it was like, no, baby, you didn't. You know, she's since been fired from Zeus. She's not really getting any bookings. Blueface is locked up. Jaden took her Stewie head over there to try to fit between somebody's legs and eat them out, but her head is too wide. And so now they're bonding together, trauma bond again. And so she moved back into his house that they're eventually going to take because he owes millions of dollars in lawsuits and then filed bankruptcy before he went into jail. I just don't understand why. Everybody's upset that she has a place to stay for her and her baby, but that's where she started and that's where she's going to stay.
Now, there's a little bit of good news. WAC 100 says that tattoo is fake on Chrisean's face. It's a cry for attention. We know that. This is the only way this girl survives, but she's destroying her life in the process. But anyway, good to know it's fake. Can you believe Chrisean Rock came out to defend her decision? And she truly believes that Blueface now realizes that she's the only girl for him since he's been in jail. Like, girl, when the guy comes out, he's kicking you out of his house.
You's a bitch. You's a what? Yes, I got it covered up because he was playing with me. The fuck, bitch. I got a new tat because we making up. Fuck you. The fuck? Ain't no other bitch gonna tat him on the face like this. And if you are, bitch, congratulations, I gave you an idea. The fuck? Go ahead, I'm a trendsetter. Everybody follow what I do anyway, so I don't give a fuck. What is you talking about? Y'all wanna see? Yeah. My nigga. What happened when y'all fall? We not falling out again, bro. He went to jail and he realized like niggas, he only fuck with one bitch and it's me. I'ma stick beside you, sis. Huh? Period. These is playing with me, acting like the fuck. I'm getting some money. What are you talking about? And I'd rather be with my BD than anybody else because I don't know. I hung out with a couple. And it's crazy because